Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to an episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today we have something dirty, something filthy, something that goes all terrain. And our good friends at KC Lights actually put it through everything. They take it off-roading, they put it over gravels, they put it over little bumps, and dirt and grime and water. What ends up happening when it's in mixtures, it turns into mud. All right guys, so let's get right into cleaning this face of the wheel and this tire. As you guys can see, this tire has filth, has dust, has dirt, has everything you could think of on the tire as well as the wheel. So how do you properly clean it? So today I have actually 3 different types of products that I'll be using and pairing them with an assortment of brushes. The brushes are going to help me clean the wheel, but the real cleaning power comes from the products. So anyways, let's get right into it. So in order to start off this wheel cleaning, I already have my wash bucket, and I went with the clear bucket today because I wanted to show you guys how filthy this water actually gets. And immediately I will insert my dirt trap at an angle. If you're not familiar with a dirt trap filters your water while you wash. So like this, you keep all the dirty water at the bottom and all the clean water up top. So then I will sink in my brushes inside the water just so it could dwell in the water. To start off with, the very first product we'll actually be using is going to be Diablo wheel gel. Diablo wheel gel is just going to be added to my wash bucket. Diablo wheel gel is a pH balanced cleaner that can be used on all types of wheels. And today I'll be using it inside my bucket just so I can have added lubrication whenever I am using sticky citrus wheel gel on the face of the wheel. I will rinse off any loose grime and debris with just using pure water. All right guys, so I went ahead and just rinsed on the wheel very lightly because you need to keep this in mind. Dirt, dust, debris, especially mud, ends up getting stuck on the face of the wheel, and over time, all this dirt and grime harms the finish of the wheel. So today, we want to do the gentlest wash possible. So like this, we remove all the dirt and filth away from the wheel and restore an OEM finish how the wheels once was. To start off this wheel clean, we're going to do FBD, face barrel detail. Face barrel detail is going to make wheel clean a lot easier. So we'll start by cleaning up the face. So I'll get sticky citrus wheel gel and I'll just spray it directly onto the face of the wheel. And you guys can see sticky citrus wheel gel immediately sticks onto dirt and grime. And sticky citrus wheel gel is actually very tough on grime, but very gentle on all types of wheel finishes. So you can use it on aluminum powder coated wheels, chrome, polish, any type of wheel. Sticky citrus wheel gel as well as Diablo wheel gel works best. But in order to activate the suds in my wash bucket, I'll just add pressure. And you can see the suds that Diablo wheel gel produced. They're magnificent. So anyways, let's get right into the clean. So we're gonna start with the face of the wheel. The face of the wheel is going to be taken care of with the flag tip brush, which is the Wheelie, the green one. The flag tip brush is going to have flag tip bristles. That one is going to help me remove any dirt, grime, and debris from the face of the wheel without harming the finish of the wheel or scratching it. So I would just start cleaning it, scrubbing it back and forth, and you can see how dirty this wheel actually is. This face of the wheel is super dirty, and as you can tell, KC lights going off-roading, so they can test out their lights. So just start scrubbing it side to side, remove all the dirt and grime and debris, and just constantly be giving it some wipes or scrubs. Come back to your wash bucket, sink it in, release your dirt and grime, go back to the face of the wheel, and just re-scrubbing it a second time. All right, so now that we finished with the face of the wheel, now it's time to do the B part, which is going to be the barrel. And by cleaning the barrel today, I'll be using the Rimpaca reach around brush. The Rimpaca reach around brush is that angle brush that just simply goes into the spokes, and you can clean the barrel of the wheel very easily. Once you're done cleaning 2 spokes, I recommend going back and cleaning it up once again. And the Rimpaca wheel brush can also be used on your interior of your car, just so you could use it as a duster. You could also pair it with nonsense, so you can clean out cup holders. The things you could use the Rimpaca with are endless. You could use it on your ceiling fans, so you could dust off your ceiling fans. So if you want to pick up your Rimpaca today, you can hop onto our website right now, chemicalguys.com. But let me just finish cleaning up this this barrel of the wheel, I should say. Go back and just scrub. And by taking these steps to clean any type of wheel, whether you have custom wheels, OEM wheels, anodized wheels, by taking these steps that I'm using today, it's going to make your wheel clean a lot easier. It's going to make your tire shine last longer. But now that we got done with the barrel, it is time to get into the details. So we're gonna get our boar's hair detailing brush. I will spray some sticky citrus wheel gel onto it, and then I'll go to my lug nuts, the valve stem, or even these little lug nuts on the outside, and just scrub them out and make sure all the mud, dust, debris are completely out, because we want to leave these wheels looking amazing. Make sure we clean up everything and just get into the details where the other brushes did not we're not eligible to get into. All right, guys, so now it's time to clean the tire. The tire is nubby, it is dirty, and it's pretty big. So let me just move my bucket out the way, as well as my products. And now it is time to use All Clean. So All Clean is an all-purpose cleaner that can be used around your whole entire vehicle. Just make sure to dilute it to your needs, but in this occasion, I'll be using it on the tires. I will spray it directly onto the tire, just so I could go ahead and make sure I remove all the dirt, grime, debris, and filth away from it. And you guys can see right now it is green, but as soon as I grab my brush, my big blue stiffy, and I start agitating it, the foam starts turning brown. That is because all of that is just mud or grime or debris that is coming off from the tire. And I like to give it 3 passes. So that's one. I will go back a second time. That's 2, and 1 more. And that's 3. All right, guys, so now it's time to rinse down the face of the wheel. But before we get into rinsing it down, I just want to show you how dirty this tire actually was. All of that is just dirt and grime, and over time, if you do not clean it, your tire dressings will not last as long. So let me just start rinsing it down, and I'll show you guys the results after. All right, guys, so we just finished rinsing down the face of the wheel as well as the tire, and you guys can see the results are night and day different. So let me just get a clean microfiber towel just so I could dry off this face of this tire wheel, just so I could show you guys the results. And you guys can see there's no longer mud. You could actually see the face of the wheel, and you could actually see the finish of the wheel. By using 3 different types of products and assortment of brushes, the products I used today was Diablo wheel gel, sticky citrus wheel gel, and All Clean Plus. These results are endless, and the results are amazing. So guys, if you want to achieve these results onto your wheels today, and you want to pick up any products that I used today, from brushes, buckets, accessories, or even products, you can hop onto our website right now, chemicalguys.com. Or if you want to drive down to your local detail garage, I recommend you do so. It's a store filled with all your chemicalguys needs. As always, I'm Henry. Thank you for sharing your passion for shine with chemicalguys, and we'll see you guys next time right here at the chemicalguys detail garage.